thunderstorm warning message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for southeastern Valley, Sherman, Howard, northwestern Hall, southwestern Greeley, and eastern Buffalo counties until 8:15 p.m. At 7:46 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Sherman Reservoir Dam to Bulliston 9 miles southeast of Poole, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashton, Bullis, Farwell, North Loop, Carroll, Scotia, Coatesfield, Elba, Dannebrog, St. Paul, Greeley, Walbeck, St. Leboy, and Cushing. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Nebraska, Buffalo, Greeley, Hull, Howard,